Slow down, Betsy. Okay, guys, here we are. We're at Loyalist College. I just ran my bike into the back thing. We found this little hut. Well, I did. I've been sitting here for probably half an hour, 40 minutes.
I've never been able to stand flat-footed on it.
Oh, I better get off because I don't know if this is going to bottom out.
It probably won't, but yeah.
It didn't come in, but this is the front.
Ooh, if you were on it, you would have been fucked.
Yeah, she was close.
It would have bottomed out with you on it, I bet.
Oh, most definitely. Okay, and we're off, guys. It's raining like a mofo out. So we're going to get wet.
We're off like a herd of turtles.
Herd of turtles.
Oh, we should stop in there to Digital Media Center here for next video copies are ready for YouTube.
Yeah. Yeah, they've been slacking, eh?
Yeah.
Look, what are they doing to the Shark Tank?
Oh, they're masturbation.
Ah, okay. I understand now.
Yeah.
Oh, puddle.
Oh, mud.
Yeah, this place sucks right here. Just fucking. Ah, yeah. Did the rain stop?
Yes.
What a perfect time. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I had to put my feet up, guys. That would have been bad. Re-bad.
Oh, it's still kind of raining.
Yeah, that's better than it was. I've coasted since that little hill. Yeah.
I've been paddling since that little hill.
I bet. That car's been here since I was here this morning.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, that's slick.
Yeah, I know. I did a 360 on it earlier.
Oh, look at the snowy snow. You should hit that trail.
Not today. I'm a little wet and yeah.
That's the perfect time.
Yeah, no.
We're doing 34.
Yeah, nice cruising speed. I like 34.
Yeah. Oh. Get to class. You're late.
A little late there. You'll be like, don't tell my boyfriend. How do you know I'm late?
Oh, geez, my hands are a little cold.
Oh, jeez, my penis is a little cold.
I see this thing on TikTok the other day. It was his husband come downstairs and his wife put this box out on the table for him, and the box says penis enlarger, and he has like a curious face, and he's like, huh. And then he opens the box and there's a magnifying glass in there, and he's like, motherfucker, got there. That was a good one. Oh, hockey rink. Oh yeah, man, drive with the vise up. Nope, maybe not. Not all the way, anyways. How do I get mud on the front? Yeah, the beautiful fucking double shit tank. Oh, that could have been bad.
I think remember our helmets might separate here.
Oh, we're good, man. We know how far we were.
Okay.
Mine even still didn't connect last night till fucking I was inside.
Left.
and we'll get a warning. It'll go. That's pretty far. Still,
yeah, that's about 28 miles.
It's still pretty clear too.
Yeah, because we're in a straight line, but now this is going to where it's going to
go. Trees. Just gotta wait for you to turn the corner and then.
Well, I can't turn. Whoa, I almost hit a Jeep.
I did that today and I came around here and almost literally ran into that. I don't know why. I was scared I was going to slide, so I didn't turn. I just went right straight into the lawn.
Yeah, I do that quite a bit.
Oh, yeah. Oh, God. Slow down, Betsy. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
You were slowing down. I didn't want to stop.
I think I'm just going to take the grass.
Yeah, I'm not going to go through that puddle again. That's for fucking sure. I'm sticking to the edge. And I'll jump over here, and then this is the screwed up puddle. Yeah. Get me on the grass.
Oh yeah, guys, I better wipe the camera just in case. Probably haven't done that in
Get it on wipe! A-W-I-P-A-E-W-X!
Oh, Trippy was part of the cheerleading squad, as we can see.
E-I-E-I-O!
And Bingo was his name. Oh.
That wind is like, holy crap!
Yeah, that's pretty strong.
I thought I was stepping over there. Oh.
Ah, yeah, I think this wind is starting to dry me off. No rain, no rain. Got the Timmies, yeah, boys. How's it going, Ricky? Hey, but what was that for? You hit your brakes like 10 times. I can do that too.
It sounds like you're whacking yourself.
That's what you sound like when you're whacking. That's weird, man.
Kinda, actually.
Oh, shiza. No Timmy's motherfuckers today. What?
You gotta cut that out, man.
Yeah, shit. Oh, fuck. I'm gonna forget about that. Fuck. Oh, buddy, I almost went that way.
No, all I was doing was putting my foot on your back leg.
Yeah, I know. Look.
Whoa, you slow down. You almost ran me down.
You're sketchy, man.
Yeah, that is sketchy.
I smell the reefer. I smelled some good stuff, too.
That sounds like Bubba Kush skunk.
Bubba Kush skunk.
Not Bubba Skunk Kush, but Bubba Kush skunk. We could smell that one little note at the very end of it. That's what gives me the idea that it's Bubba Kush skunk, not Bubba Skunk Kush.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I smelled the same thing.
Okay, cool.
Oh! Oh, buddy. Nice rolling stop, sir. I didn't even hear a fucking trippy law or nothing.
I don't stop for stop signs, trippy law! But I have to stop.
Well, we don't have to stop here.
Okay.
Unless this van turns and hits you. Oh. Nice radio, man. We gotta hit this because there's no bump. Oh yeah, nice and smooth. And then it's funny you take this way every, oh well, I guess you don't take it every day, but I'm going to work.
Why?
I like this way better. More corners, no bumps.
I like this way over here.
Oh, the trail? You're gonna slip and fall on a chunk of turd and land on a meth needle.
Oh, this was a bad decision.
I'll see if we can see him in there.
Oh.
He should be coming out somewhere through there, guys.
Yeah, it's all slick and mud and...
Oh yeah, there you are. Yeah, now your bike's all muddy.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Oh, someone's getting a tow job.
A tow job! Alrighty guys, that's going to be the end of that one. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe as always. And we'll see you on the next one. Hopefully, as long as it ain't snowing too bad, guys. Because this thing is a death trap. Let me tell you. Oh yeah guys, cheers. Like, share, subscribe as I just said. And we'll see you next time.
Maybe.
Peace.
Cheers. Adios. Goodbye.